Hi, in this video I will show you how to give someone admin on the Discord. So the process is pretty simple. First of all, open your Discord mobile application and now click on the three lines on the left top and select a server, and now you have to click on the three dot icon on the right top. Once you will click on it, now from here you have to go to the settings and now scroll up and go to the roles from here, and in the role you will see different options. Simply you have to click on the plus icon on the right bottom. Now you have to click on, now new role is created, simply tap on it. Now you have to enter the role name, like I write admin. Now you can change the color of it from here, any color you can select, and you will see different options here: manage emojis, manage roles, manage channels, multiple options, manage nickname, kick members, ban members. This is up to you how much you want to give the access to one person. And now click on the save and go back, and in the admin a new role is created. So in this way you can give someone an adminship. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.